Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. Very fast video and quick video, should I say. This is just for you guys. Of course, Boost Mobile right now has a half off deal. That is correct, half off for the first month. So only for your first month, guys, you will get a half off for just $12.50 for your first month. You'll get unlimited talk, text, and data, guys. New customers only. So if you're a current customer, kind of sucks. But yeah, so it says get 1 month of unlimited data, talking, text. Like I said, that we push out that data. Now, of course, it's not really unlimited data. We'll get more into that. So it says save 50% and now. So usually this plan is $25 a month, but right now $12.50 you can get. So it says save. And then right here, of course, you have to put your zip code and email address. But with this, you get unlimited talk and text, free SIM kit, that's a $10 value, free 2-day shipping, that's $10 value as well. So you're getting $20 worth of value there, limited time offer. Now, remember, you do have to see the fine print when it comes to this stuff. So there's fine print here and here, but it's the same basic thing. It says after your first month, you will pay $25 a month unless you go online and cancel. So once you get this deal, you will get it for 1 month. But after that, guys, they will charge you $25 a month if you don't cancel. It says for iPhone, requires iOS 15.2 or higher. 5G service requires compatible device. 5G is not available everywhere. Unlimited data. This is the unlimited data they're talking about, guys. So after 30 gigs of high-speed data allotment is exceeded, speeds may be reduced for the remainder of the month. And it's not may, it's they will get reduced, guys. So after 30 gigs, which is what Boost Mobile and Dish Network, well, really Dish Network, because Boost Mobile used to give you unlimited data before they got bought out by Dish Network. So yeah, after that, guys, it will be pretty slow. So be worried about that. But 30 gigs should be plenty, especially if you have Wi-Fi around your area. So it's a limited talk text, no contracts, great plans for any budget, free shipping, and America's largest 5G networks. So of course, either you will get the AT&T or the T-Mobile network. So just be worried about that. Get your free SIM card and your smartphone, of course, with a BYOD is how you get it. You can also earn money with this, some stuff like that, but it doesn't really make too much sense for me to do it, honestly. But yeah, guys, so limited talk, text, and data for half off, $12 and what was it, 95 cents or something like that. $12.50 for 1 month. That's not bad at all. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, subscribe. You're in the right place for more content. This is for Boost Mobile's network. I believe with this one, you'd use the team or the AT&T network. So check it out. Thank you, guys.